Daily Cost Report. Step-by-step guide. Thank you for joining this training. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to complete a daily cost report accurately and efficiently. Saving the cost report file from an email. First, select the down arrow icon on your file. Second, select Save As. Third, find the folder where you want to save your file. The last step is to save your file. Go to the folder where your cost report is saved. This is your master copy, which you will use to send the report each day. Once you locate it, double-click to open and always use the application version, never the web version. Populating the cost report. Start by entering the date in cell E4. Once you've entered the date, click cell E5, type equals. Then select cell E4 plus 1, then hit enter. Select cell E5 again. From the corner, use the fill handle to drag down until you reach your projected end date. Make sure that your formulas match your dates. Select the cells that contain a formula, then using the fill handle, drag down until the end of your projected end date. First, make sure that your formula reaches your complete data set, click cell N3. Then your formula bar. Scroll all the way to the end of your projected end date, drag down the highlighted section until you reach the end of your data set. To populate your PO line items, start by clicking cell O5. Enter your PO line items in cells in column O. On the date your company started billing, type in the total hours for the craft type in columns A through D. Then, type in the total straight time and overtime hours in columns F and G. Make sure that the totals in column H match the sum of your daily hours. In columns I through L, populate the daily actual spend. Note: third-party charges are any expenses for items that are not rented. For example, a purchase from an office supply store, or welding gases. Estimating daily cost on rental items. Do not modify column M. This column sums the total daily spend starting in column S. Starting with column S, let's say your company will be billing for a supervisor truck. In cell S2, type in the quoted total cost for this truck, then in cell S3, type in the total number of days this truck will be on rent. Let's say the billing on this truck started on day 1, you will then divide the total cost by the total number of days this truck will be on rent, and add that cost to the days the truck will be on rent. Now let's say that your company will be renting a truck for 50 days starting on July 11th. For a grand total of $35,000. Find the date when your truck rental will start, then divide the total quoted amount by the expected rent days. Then, add the estimated daily totals to the 50 dates this truck will be on rent. For every individual piece of equipment, or item that your company has rented, make sure that you list them separately in a different column. For example, if your company rented 4 welding machines, do not list all 4 in one column. Each will need to be listed separately because the off-rent sequence will not be the same for all 4. You will need to list each purchase order separately, one purchase order per tab. Please make sure your changes are saved. Forward the cost report to your designated point of contact on a daily basis after saving your file. This concludes our cost report training. Thank you.